As we begin 2020, the new year and decade is already testing how we can collaborate to address pressing issues at home and across borders. International cooperation is crucial in achieving goals and is particularly important when robust teamwork is needed most. From advocating climate change and sustainability to overcoming global health emergencies. Today, the healthcare sector is facing changes that will result in new challenges to its organizations. Rapidly developing government regulations, technological innovations, and patient expectations are resulting in a contemporary setting wherein overseeing a medical practice is no longer just about treating patients. More than ever before, one of the greatest challenges facing medical professionals is the continuing global impact of infectious diseases, which result in approximately 20% of all human deaths annually. Epidemics of infectious diseases are occurring more frequently and spreading faster and further than ever in different parts of the world, disrupting global economies, travel, trade, and livelihoods. The tremendous impact that these diseases have on our world should not be underestimated. Some of the 21st century epidemics include Zika, Ebola, influenza, and most importantly, the latest coronavirus disease. How do we overcome these challenges? At such crucial times, our capacity to act in our shared best interest for a greater collective impact has never been more important.